Okay, this is hibiscus. And hibiscus can be used in different ways. It depends on how you like to make use of yours. I've thought about the tea, and this is the tea. This was the one boiled to get this red tonic. If you are giving children, you put beetroot, don't put sugar. Yeah, minimize the way we give our children sugar because it causes them stomach upset, if I may say this. Yeah, so to get very nice juice or tonic for children, I always boast it with beetroot. Beetroot. Okay, that is it for the tea. So whenever I get my hibiscus, I blend properly. Have you seen the way I grinded this? And it's just like now in powder form. Have you seen it? So if you want to just use it as a tea, then you just pour your hot water and you can put some spoons into the jug. After you sieve, this is the raw one. Then if you want to put ginger, you can put ginger. If you want to put cinnamon, look at it, you put cinnamon. If you want to put cloves, you put cloves. But when you're giving children, you get it, you minimize putting cloves. Even if you want to put, let it be just a little and a little and a little. So hibiscus is an immune booster. It helps for belly fat. It helps also help for liver health, heart health. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial property. It has a lot of antibacterial property in it. So hibiscus is very, very good. Instead of introducing children to all these sugary things, all these things we can make them at home. Yeah, you can even make smoothie through this. Have you seen the way I grinded it and it becomes in powder form? So if a child comes back from school or even you have worked so stressfully, then you can get rosemary, blend it with this one, just put in a warm water or hot water, then sieve and drink. You are doing your health good, somebody. Okay, so thank you so much. Remember, I need comments, I need appreciation. Anything you have seen posted, I love it. Return the comments and keep connecting people. Thank you so much for joining.